Let's make coconut bread. Add 4 large eggs to a bowl, then mix or whisk. Add 1 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut flavoring, 1 cup of coconut flakes, and 1 cup of buttermilk, and mix until combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Add 3 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to a separate bowl and mix. Add the flour mixture to the main bowl, 1/3 of it at a time until combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Then add the batter evenly to 2 5x9-inch bread pans which have been prepared with shortening or cooking spray or parchment paper. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit or 162 Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. For the glaze, add 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of coconut flavoring, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of butter to a pot. Then heat on a burner using medium heat. Stir and heat until the mixture boils, then remove it from the heat. Poke holes in the baked bread with a wooden skewer. Then pour the hot glaze generously over the top of the bread and into the holes. Let cool for 5 to 10 minutes, then run a butter knife or cake spatula around the edges to loosen it. Remove it from the pan and let it cool the rest of the way. Slice and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.